It is a beautiful day in Myrtle Beach, and today we're going to look at 3802 Cagney Lane. This is a beautiful custom home in Charleston Place. This is a really nice, quiet community located in Plantation Point. Beautiful homes, beautiful landscaping. This house has got a great location. It's got a pond next to it, so you've got a lot of privacy. It backs up to the golf course. It's got fantastic landscaping. All brick home. I'm excited for y'all to take a look at this one. I love the half round windows. Nice foyer. You're gonna love this. Just a really beautiful entranceway here. It goes all the way up. Smooth ceiling, crown molding, custom paint jobs. Lots of really nice details in this home. I love this open living area. And normally I'd start to my right and kind of go through the whole house, but I want to cut to the chase and show you one of my favorite things about this home, which is the view and the patio. I mean, it's a great open floor plan, lots of natural light, windows looking out everywhere. But man, this out here is fantastic. This little oasis back here. We're in the heart of Myrtle Beach. We are 5 minutes to the beach, even closer to shops and some of the best restaurants in town. Everything's right around the corner from this home, but back here it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's private. Look at this. The pond next to you, you've got so much extra space. And then look right out here on the golf course. This is the 5th tee box and fairway of Myrtlewood. Just fantastic. Love it. Can walk right along the side here and get back out. But I mean, this is just special. And the inside's pretty special too. This house has more lighting in it than I think I've seen in a house in a long time. Nice hardwood floors. It's been updated and meticulously maintained. So the kitchen's been redone. I love the white cabinets. Great countertops. You can run out the window here at the pond. Nice built-in desk. Really nice all the way around. Here, former little dining area. Tray ceiling. And then check out the master bedroom here. I love the carpet. Very unique master. They've got plantation shutters, so custom window treatments throughout the home. There's me. Hi. Little vanity area here. Huge master bedroom. That's a king-size bed to give you an idea of how big the room is. And again, these windows look right out of that big patio we were just at. Got a huge walk-in closet here, a linen closet, and then look at this redone master bath. Lots of storage. There's me again. Hi. His and her sinks. And then a huge garden tub and a beautiful tile shower. Again, lots of recessed lighting, moldings. Just a really great house all the way around. I think what I'm going to do is show you the garage and the laundry room, which is amazing, and then go upstairs, and then we'll go back and look at the guest rooms and finish up. So back here, oh, you get to see a lot of me today. There are a lot of mirrors in this house. So me again, got more storage under the stairs here. There's also a powder room right here. And I love it when the powder room's tucked away off of the living area. I hate it when I go into these houses and the half bath is right there in the living room, so there's no privacy. Back here we have a huge closet. Again, lots of mirrors, lots of Jay today. I'm glad I got my hair cut a couple hours ago. But lots of storage. This house has the biggest laundry room I think I've seen, maybe ever. So you've got a huge laundry room, big window that looks out over the pond. They have a tub sink in here. But this room is so big, they even use it as a little office and study. And we have a nice oversized garage here. Floor's been painted. There's storage above. Sometimes it's hard to see how big rooms are on video like this, but they've got tons of room out here. And I love the fact that the windows are finished. Very nice garage. Beautiful carpets leading up to a loft area and a bonus room. So you've got this great little loft here with windows looking out on the pond and the golf course. And then double doors that lead into this office or study. This could be used as a fourth bedroom. Huge room up here. Again, ceiling fans, custom lighting. The owner of this home said one of the things he loved was to be able to sit up here and look out the window at the pond. I guess I should have opened those blinds a little bit more, but great view from up here. And a really nice size bonus room. I don't normally talk about my owners, but the gentleman that owns this house is an engineer. And I've been in real estate for 30 years now, and the nicest homes and most well-kept homes I've ever helped people buy or sell have been owned by engineers. Everything in here has been meticulously maintained and updated. And then last but not least, we've got guest rooms over here tucked away from the rest of the house. They've got one guest room here. This was the grandkids' rooms. You can see they were Star Wars fans. Again, nice plantation shutters, mirrors on the closet doors. We've got another guest bedroom too, and this one's really dramatic. It's got this huge high vaulted ceiling fan, half round windows, great window treatments, more plantation shutters. Just a really, and again, it's really hard to see how high these ceilings are in here with the video, but really great room. And then last but not least, there's the guest bath here. I love the tile floors. And a tub shower combo. So this is a great house right in the middle of Myrtle Beach, but it's tucked away in a quiet neighborhood. It's in Charleston Place at Plantation Point. It's close to everything. It's meticulously maintained. It's been upgraded. Lots of great custom features. You need to come see this one before it's gone. So for a private tour, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling. Of course, all my contact information is written right down below here in the YouTube comment section. I hope to see you soon. Don't miss this one.